Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to extract or read text from PDF file using Python script. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Now let me open the Visual Studio Code first. I am using Visual Studio Code for code editing. Now I am opening the project folder which I have already created for this project. I opened the folder. As you can see that there is a file sample.pdf inside the Python folder. Let me open and show the PDF first. Yes, a simple PDF file. This is a simple demonstration.pdf file. This is the sample PDF file which we are going to extract or read text. Yeah, okay. Open the terminal because you need to install one library called PDF Miner. For that you need to use this command pip space install space PDF Miner. Copy the command and paste in terminal and hit enter. As you can see that it is showing requirement already satisfied, which means I have already installed this library. If you are installing it newly, then it will download some contents from the internet. So you need an active internet connection. After that, it will show the PDF Miner is successfully installed. Then create a new file, copy and paste the Python code and save the file as app.py. You need to replace the PDF file path here at the end of the program, sample.pdf. I have sample.pdf in the root location, so I just using sample.pdf here. That's it guys. With the help of PDF Miner library, we can extract or read text from the PDF file very easily. Okay, let's run this project. Type python space app.py, then hit enter. As you can see that it returned the text, a simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration.pdf file. You can check it here. A simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration.pdf file just for use in the virtual mechanics tutorials. From the terminal, you can simply copy the text and pasted it in Notepad. So otherwise, you can use the Python code to save the extracted text in a new text file. If you want that feature, then please leave a comment. I will upload a new video for that. I hope this video tutorial helps you to extract or read text from the PDF file using Python 3 script. If you have any doubts, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.